We are living in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. One of the most exciting applications of AI is the development of chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversation with human users. Businesses use them to provide customer service, answer questions, and even make sales. Advances in natural language processing have made it possible for chatbots to understand and respond to human language more effectively than ever before. The increasing availability of cloud computing has made it affordable for businesses of all sizes to deploy chatbots. Consumers are becoming more comfortable interacting with chatbots as they become more sophisticated and human-like. The chatbot market is expected to grow significantly, reaching $1.25 billion by 2025. The business world is abuzz with talk of chatbots. These AI-powered assistants are proving to be invaluable assets in a wide range of industries. Businesses are increasingly using chatbots to handle routine customer inquiries, freeing up human representatives for more complex issues. Chatbots are also improving efficiency in human resources by answering employee questions and automating onboarding. In sales and marketing, chatbots qualify leads, schedule appointments, and even make sales. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for chatbots in the workplace. This collaboration unlocks new levels of productivity and efficiency, driving innovation and progress across various fields. Beyond the business world, chatbots are also making their way into our personal lives. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant perform tasks from setting alarms to providing directions. These virtual assistants are constantly learning and evolving, becoming more helpful and personalized over time. Chatbots are also being used as educational tools, helping users learn new languages and providing personalized learning experiences. Educational chatbots can be particularly helpful for students who need extra support or prefer to learn at their own pace. Another promising application of chatbots is in mental health support, offering coping mechanisms and connecting users with human therapists. While not a replacement for professional care, they can be a valuable resource for those in need. These helpful companions are making our lives easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. The impact of chatbots extends far beyond just our workplaces and personal lives. In healthcare, chatbots improve patient care, streamline administrative tasks, and reduce costs. They can schedule appointments, answer medical questions, and provide basic advice, freeing up medical professionals for complex cases. The finance industry uses chatbots for customer support, answering account questions and detecting fraud. Some banks even provide personalized financial advice through chatbots. Retailers use chatbots for personalized shopping recommendations, product inquiries, and processing returns. Some retailers create interactive shopping experiences with chatbots that mimic in-store interactions. These versatile tools are transforming entire industries. Section 5. The power of personalization. Tailoring experiences with chatbots. Chatbots can deliver personalized experiences by leveraging data and AI. They can anticipate needs, recommend products, and provide tailored information based on past interactions. In e-commerce, personalized chatbots guide customers through their shopping journey, enhancing the experience and increasing sales. Beyond product recommendations, chatbots can tailor their communication style, tone, and language to match the user's personality. This creates a more natural and engaging interaction, fostering a sense of connection and trust. This level of personalization is transforming the way we interact with businesses and access information. Imagine a world where your chatbot knows your preferences better than you do. Section 6. Ethical considerations. Navigating the challenges of chatbot technology. The rise of chatbots presents ethical considerations that must be addressed proactively. One primary concern is the potential for bias in chatbot algorithms. If training data reflects existing biases, the chatbot may perpetuate those biases in its interactions. Privacy is another concern, as chatbots collect and process vast amounts of personal data. Ensuring responsible data collection and usage with appropriate safeguards is crucial. Transparency is vital. Users should know when they are interacting with a chatbot. Addressing these challenges ensures responsible development and deployment of chatbot technology. And Section 7, the Human Chatbot Partnership, Collaboration for a Brighter Future. Chatbots are tools designed to augment and enhance human capabilities, not replace them. They excel at handling repetitive tasks, processing data, and providing instant responses. This frees up human workers for more complex, creative, and strategic endeavors. The human touch remains irreplaceable in areas requiring empathy and emotional intelligence. By embracing a collaborative approach, we can harness chatbot technology while preserving the essential human element. This partnership paves the way for a future where technology empowers us to reach our full potential. Section 8. Beyond the Horizon, Glimpsing the Future of Chatbots. The world of chatbot technology is constantly evolving, with new advancements emerging rapidly. Future chatbots may integrate with augmented reality and virtual reality, creating immersive experiences. These advancements could revolutionize fields like education, training, and entertainment. Chatbots with advanced emotional intelligence could better understand and respond to human emotions. This could enhance mental health support, customer service, and personal relationships. Future chatbots may have greater autonomy, managing schedules, travel, and financial transactions. These advanced chatbots would act as true digital assistants, seamlessly managing various aspects of our lives. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the chatbot revolution. We are on the cusp of a chatbot revolution, transforming how we interact with technology. Chatbots are enhancing efficiency, convenience, and accessibility across industries and daily routines. While the future holds immense promise, it's crucial to approach this evolution responsibly. By addressing ethical considerations and prioritizing the human chatbot partnership, we can create a brighter future. The chatbot revolution is about leveraging technology to augment human capabilities and enhance our lives. Let's embrace the transformative potential of chatbots while remaining mindful of ethical considerations and the importance of human connection.